Hi, I'm Brent Ramsey with Canon USA. Canon formally announced our entrance into the world of digital motion imaging when we introduced the Cinema EOS system in 2011, a series of Super 35mm digital cinema cameras and a new generation of cinematography zooms and prime lenses. Now, over the past 7 years, we've expanded our offerings with a wide variety of lenses to suit various applications, shooting styles, and budgets. Now today, there are 5 categories of cinema lenses. We have zooms, compact zooms, cine-servos, compact servos, and primes. While we do have unique traits in each of the 5 categories, common to all Canon cinema lenses are the amazing 4K HDR optical performance and the consistent, warm cinematic look they produce. Canon's immersion in the two worlds of still and motion imaging led to the development of a new family of cinema lenses with EF mounts called Canon Compact-Servo Lenses. Now, these are low-cost zoom lenses with operational characteristics familiar to cinematographers while drawing upon the highly refined design and manufacturing techniques of existing EF lenses. Both the 18 to 80mm and the 70 to 200mm lenses feature high-quality 4K optical performance, built-in image stabilization, autofocus, auto-iris, and an integrated digital servo drive for zoom. The servo control is compatible with the optional ZSG C10 Zoom Servo Grip. They have a dedicated manual iris ring to offer continuous iris control, and the 9-blade diaphragm completely closes, allowing for black level adjustment while providing an attractive rounded bokeh with soft shafts of light. They weigh less than 2.8 pounds, and they're only 7.2 inches in length, making them ideal for a wide range of video applications, including documentary, news gathering, weddings, and other video productions. Affordability is a central aspect of the Canon Compact-Servo lenses. These lenses offer tremendous value. Now, please check the Canon USA website for more product details for the entire family of cinema lenses, including the recently announced CNE 20mm prime lens. I'm Brent Ramsey. Thanks for watching.